what's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about my 2025 goals. I've been trying to do this video for a while and the days have just been getting away from me. But even though I'm going to talk about my 2025 goals, we're going to go ahead and recap 2024 and see how I did, because I set goals in 2024 and we're going to see if I achieved them or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with that. So in 2024, if you did not see my goals in 2024, they were in with a detangling talk that I did. I talked about my goals as well as my Cabo San Lucas trip. So I'll try to link that video here in case you want to take a look at it. It's a detangling talk. It's up to you if you want to or not, but I'm just going to recap. So in that video, I talked about wanting to get in shape in 2024. I had bought the Yes So bike and was talking about wanting to ride the bike, get in shape, wanting to eat healthier, make better food choices and things like that. And did I do that? A little bit. So I didn't stay on track. I got on track, I fell off, I got on track, I fell off. So for me, that is one goal that I'm gonna say that I didn't succeed in or reach, because I really wanted to make it a habit. And so because it's not a habit, yeah, and the eating was way off, okay? So yeah, I didn't reach that goal. However, 2025, it is now my goal again. So I'm really going to try to work out at least 3 days a week. Now I'm putting the actual number on it. I think then, I can't remember if I put a number on it or not, but I want to try to work out at least 3 days a week. If I can do more, that's great, but I want to at least say 3 and try to make myself stick to it, okay? So I got the treadmill for Christmas, as y'all saw. So between the bike and the treadmill and then the gravity machine, you know, that should give me some variety. And then of course I got weights and stuff like that. So we're going to see how that works. So mark that down, 2025, going to try to work out 3 days a week. And then I'm also going to go ahead and try to change my eating as well. So I was sharing this with my cousin, so hopefully she'll keep me on track too, or keep me accountable. So right now we do have a lot of things in our home that is not the healthiest. Of course, I'm not going to throw it out or anything. We're going to go ahead and eat it because it was bought. But after it's gone, I'm going to try to make healthier choices. So for instance, if we have a box of cereal, Frosted Flakes, let's say that, I'm going to try to look for a healthier choice of cereal, that type of thing. Instead of pop, I'm going to try to look for a healthier drink. You know, basically whatever I have been using that may have a better choice, a better substitute, I'm going to try to make that substitution. So we're going to see how that works. And then I also said in 2024 that I wanted to read more. So I will say that I have read more this year than I did in the past. So with that being said, again, I kind of met my goal. I didn't read as much as I would have liked to, but I did read more, and I said I wanted to pull away from watching so much YouTube. I still watch a lot of YouTube. So that is still my goal for 2025. I want to read more, watch YouTube less, and things like that. So mark that down, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put a number on that too, to make sure that I get it done. I'm thinking if I can actually see the books that I want to read, then I can do that and mark them off. So there are 4 books that I want to make sure that I read in 2025. Now I know that don't sound like a lot, but for someone like me who, you know, will start a book, get sidetracked, and then don't pick it up again, I think I have like 3 or 4 books that I need to go ahead and finish. So I want to go ahead and finish those. And for someone who, you know, is just always doing something, it's kind of harder for me to just sit down and read nowadays. But I'm going to make it a point to do it, because if I can sit down and watch a YouTube video, or I can see, a lot of times I'm watching YouTube when I'm doing dishes or when I'm whatever. So now if I can maybe try to read while I'm on the treadmill or something like that, then hopefully I can get it done, and hopefully I can do more than 4, but I'm gonna just make it 4. I at least want to finish 4 books. I'm gonna say that. Okay, so read more. We're gonna do that in 2025. Okay, so then also in 2024 I set a goal to read the Bible in chronological order in a year. So I wanted to read through the Bible in a year in chronological order. I failed. I didn't finish it. I started it, I didn't finish it. So that is my goal again for 2025. I want to make sure that I get it done. So I put that back on my goals list. So how many is that I failed already? Okay. So any of you who have set goals last year or resolutions and you didn't make your resolutions or your goals or whatever, you are not alone. Just let's pick up and let's start again. Okay, just dust yourself off and start again. So the next thing in 2024 I wanted to do was grow my social media platforms. So in 2024 I wanted to hit 15,000 subscribers. Failed, didn't do that. I got to 11,000 in 2024, and I'm happy about that. I did want to do 15, but I knew when I set that goal, and I said it in that video, that it was a lofty goal, but I wanted to try. Okay, so I failed. I only got to 11,000, but that's okay. So for 2025 I'm gonna set another one. So this time I want to get to 20,000. Okay, at first I said 25, and then I said, well, let's go ahead and do 20. Let's kind of step it up slow. So I'm gonna try to get to 20,000, and y'all gonna help me, right? Y'all gonna subscribe, y'all gonna tell other people to subscribe. Come on, let's do it. So my goal for 2025 is 20,000 subscribers on YouTube, and on Instagram my goal is still 1,000. So last year, 2024, I set a goal for Instagram to get 1,000 followers, and I said that was gonna be hard because my Instagram just doesn't grow fast at all. I was at 600 and something, almost 700. I'm still in the 700s. Okay, so it did grow a little bit, but I definitely didn't get to 1,000. And I probably won't get to 1,000 in 2025, but I'm gonna leave it at that. So it'll be something to push for, and we're gonna see. I know that I gotta do a lot more work on Instagram. I don't go over there often at all. And then when I do, my stuff is, to me, it's just okay. It's not really engaging. It's not a whole lot of reels and stuff like that. But we'll see how I do in 2025. We'll see. So that is my goal again in 2025. And maybe if I got my Instagram off, maybe I would actually get some more sponsorships, which was another goal in 2024. But if brands are looking at Instagram and not really looking at my YouTube channel, they probably like, nah, we're going to pass on her. We're going to go to somebody else. Can't blame them. Can't blame them. But I'm just saying. So maybe I need to get my Instagram together. Maybe I'll see those sponsorships roll in. So last year, 2024, I said that I wanted to have 4 sponsorships of Black owned brands, hair care brands. I did not get that. So I failed in that area. And when I say failed, guys, don't act like I'm just, I'm beating myself up. No, it's just, did I pass or did I fail? So I did not get that many. I think I only got 2 sponsorships in 2024. I got some partnerships, but not really sponsorships like I was looking for as far as hair care brands are concerned. So I'm going to leave that goal the same for this year. I'm going to try to get 4 again, and hopefully if I do better on my Instagram and maybe even pitch some brands or something, they may come in. So y'all know me, it's going to take something for me to pitch a brand, but hey, we got to branch out. I got to branch out of my little shell, so we're going to see. Okay, so right now, let me see. Right now, out of the stuff that I talked about, I haven't really knocked any of them off the charts, okay, as far as my goals. I mean, I came close, but not really making it, so y'all bear with me. Okay, So the other thing that I said in that 2024 video was that I had something in the works that I was working on that hopefully I will get off the ground, blah, 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 blah. And I will tell y'all now that I did reach that goal. I didn't say what that was in that video. I just said, oh, you know, I'm not sure, you know, but this is what I kind of want to do. So I was leaving it mysterious, basically. I didn't tell you what it was, but what it was I wanted to start a membership. So I did get that done in 2024. So I am happy about that. And for those of you who have joined my membership, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so appreciative. I'm still trying to get content out to you guys. But like I said, 2025 just took off. It just seemed like I didn't have a break at all. So, you know, stick with me, guys. I'm really going to try to bring that content to you. But that was something that I had to overcome, that fear barrier that I had. Like, you know, what am I going to put on there? And is anybody even going to be interested? And all the things that go through your mind when you're trying to do something like that. So I had to overcome that. I got it done. So I'm so happy about that. So now this year, my goal is just to really dig deep and put some really good content out there for the membership if I can. And I also want to grow the membership to 50 people. So right now I don't have 50. That might be lofty, I don't know, but hopefully in 2025 I'll have at least 50 people who are a part of my membership, if not more, but I'm gonna push for 50, so we're gonna see. So those of you who are enjoying it, who like it, please, you know, let some other people know about it. Also, you know, let me know what you want to see. I keep asking y'all, want to bring y'all what y'all want to see, so but I need to know what that is. Okay, alrighty, so ding, I got one goal that I actually did that I wanted to do. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Got that done. Okay. So that was pretty much 2024. That was my recap of 2024. To be honest, I only surpassed one of my goals. I got very close in some of the other ones. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. I mean, I wish I could have done better, but hey, it is what it is, right? So far, let's go ahead and go back over 2025. What I want to do, I want to get in shape. I want to eat healthier. I want to read more. I want to go read through the Bible in a year. I want to grow my YouTube to 15,000, my IG to 1,000. I want to have 50 members by the end of 2025. I want to have 4 brand sponsorships, and I also want to create some merch. So for those of you who don't know, I've already talked to my members about it because they are members, so they got the sneak peek basically, that I want to do some merch. So I've been working on that, so I want to go ahead and get that complete in 2025. And I have been working on a logo, so I want to make sure that that is done in 2025 so I can start to branch out and just be able to build on, you know, a brand and have other streams of income. So yeah, that is a goal for 2025. So hopefully I can get that merch created and ready for you guys if you're interested. I know I did a poll. Some of you weren't interested. That's fine. Some of you were. So if you are, I hope that it's to your liking, and y'all give me some ideas of other things that you would like to see as far as merchandise is concerned, something that you would be interested in purchasing or, you know, buying as gifts or whatever the case may be. Okay. Now, my other goal is I want to travel. So there are 2 places that I want to go this year. I want to go to Hawaii, and then I want to take another trip overseas somewhere. There's a couple places that I would like to go. Haven't narrowed it down, but I at least want to take 2 major trips this year. So yeah, that is a goal too. Now that AJ is out of the house, my husband and I may have a little bit more time and stuff like that. So I just want to make it a point to get some stuff down on the book. So if we can take 2 trips away, decompress and things like that, then that's what I want to do. But I want to make sure I get to Hawaii. I've been wanting to go to Hawaii for a while, and then I want to go either to like Italy or Greece or you know, something like that. I want to go overseas somewhere. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see if those happen in 2025. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for my goals as far as personal and business goals, or channel goals, whatever you want to call it, for 2025. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a long time coming, but now, hey, it's here. I don't really have any hair goals as far as I want to grow my hair down my back or anything like that. Let me take that back. I do have one hair goal. So I talked about my hair up in here. It's growing back pretty good. I can't really, you know, see where it was broken off right now, but every once in a while I'll get like a little piece here and there. So I do want to make sure that I get this part of my hair as healthy as possible. So that's the only thing I have. I don't have like a length goal or anything like that. My hair is pretty healthy, except for, you know, those little pieces that I see every once in a while when I'm doing my hair, especially like when it's wet and really, you know, curled up. I can see it a little bit more. So I want to make sure that that is healthy and it grows out to the length of the other hair. But yeah, other than that, I don't really have any like major hair goals or anything. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what some of your goals are for 2025. Put it in the comment section below. Something that you may put out there may really ring in someone else's ears and be like, hey, that is something that I would like to do too, or have been wanting to do and forgot about it or whatever. So yeah, share with us what some of your 2025 goals are. We love to hear them. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.